Okay, today we're building our first Telegram bot in about less than 15 minutes. So by the end of this video, you have this running on your own phone. But before we touch code, I need you to understand one thing. Understand this mental model. I call it mental model because it's easy for you to picture in your mind and understand it. Input, rules, and output. Everything in programming, both Telegram, bots, Python, whatever programming language you're doing, follows this pattern. Input goes in, rules decide what happens, and output comes out. That's programming. Now, we can use this for our Telegram bot, but we'll change some of these words. We use user message, bot rules, bot reply. So, what is a Telegram bot? A Telegram bot is simply a program that receives messages and sends messages back. Nothing magical, just input, rules, and output. Now let's create a bot first. And how do we create a bot? We have to search for BotFather. He is the father of all bots. Any Telegram bot you are using or you have ever seen, it was created this way. It's impossible to have a Telegram bot that is not originated from BotFather. So you type new bot. You give your bot any name you want. So I might just name mine this, and I'm going to put the username, but your username must end with bot. It's compulsory. If not, they will not accept your bot. It must end in bot. So after that, Telegram or rather BotFather will give us this weird string. So just copy this token. Don't worry about this or what this is yet. We'll learn it properly in the next episode. For today, just copy it. Now we're going to go to VS Code and we're going to create a file called bots.py. Normally I write all this code from scratch. That's what programmers did back then. But this is 2026. There is a concept called boilerplate. Boilerplate is the code we need before the interesting part starts. Think of it like the foundation of a house. Nobody buys a house because of the foundation. But without the foundation, the house falls down. Same thing here. The boilerplate is what we build on top when we're writing code. So I'm just going to paste it here. Oops. I made a mistake. Okay. This is the boilerplate. So we're going to focus on the important part. This is the rule I told you about. When somebody sends a message, look at this handler here. This function runs. Then when this function runs, it sends this reply. Hello world, I am alive and listening. So remember our mental model, input, rule, and output. So when somebody sends the bot a message, that's the input, this function runs. And once this function runs, the bot sends a reply, which is the output. This is the output. So that's the entire bot. So we're going to change something here. One thing. We're just going to edit one thing. And can you guess what that is? Remember that token we copied from BotFather? Yes, we're supposed to paste it here. Make sure this 2 exclamation mark or comma, whatever you call it, exists here. This is to signify that this is where our token is. So guys, my battery is low, but we're going to complete this session, don't worry. I've copied mine. I hope you have copied yours. Paste it here. I've pasted mine. Normally we should not show this or expose this because if anybody who gets access to this can access our bots. But I'll teach you that in the next episode. For now, I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to save it. How do we save? Ctrl S. Always do Ctrl S when you change a line in your code. Ctrl S to save it. and you're going to install a library called aogram. This is what is going to allow this code to run. If we do not install aogram, the code will not run. So we do pip install aogram. So I already have aogram installed, so I do not need to run this. You do and run it, you can pause the video. So after running it, you can now run your bot. So there are two ways of running it. You can do Python bot py, or you can do py bot py. So I'm going to do py bot py because I like being special. But many people do Python bot py, so you should probably do Python bot py. Both still works. They are still Python. Py is the short form of Python. So whatever works for you. I'm going to run this now, and you can see bot is starting. So we're going to go to Telegram, and that's where I'm going to get the moment of truth if our bot is going to work or not. Surely it will work.
A few moments later.
I am on Telegram and I'm about to start the bot I created. You all created yours as well. Start. And look, it replied, "Hello world, I'm alive and listening. Hello. Hello world, I am alive and listening." Whatever I say is going to reply with this. Say, "You are my friend."
A few moments later.
So my computer actually went off, but you guys saw the bot running and you probably checked yours and your own is also running as well. So congratulations, you just built your first Telegram bot. And I know that some of this code probably looks weird and strange to you. That's normal. Don't try to understand everything today. Today was just about getting our bot started. So our final mental model will be user Telegram bot reply. So in the next episode, we're going to talk about that strange token that we copied from BotFather, what it is, why it matters, and why you should never share it. I want to see you in the next episode. But I forgot. But this code that is here, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can use that link to access this code, so you can copy it and paste it so you can follow along in the lessons. So check in the description, you'll see a link. You can use the link to get this code, copy it, and you can follow along. So I'm going to see you in the next one.